और चलिए सीधा राज्यसभा चलते हैं, जहां पर क्या कुछ कार्रवाई चल रही है, सुनिए।
That we will come back. Today I am told by the Parliamentary Affairs Minister that very soon there is a meeting going to take place with the opposition leaders, and accordingly we will decide accordingly. That Parliamentary Affairs Minister will tell.
No. You want to respond? Rijiji? Yes.
Yesterday, what I said, please don't put timeline condition on anything. Now, I have. दोरा जी, आपका आवाज बहुत ज्यादा जोर है. Sir, my only limited request is that I'm going to engage with the leader of oppositions from different political parties. It may be formally, informally, but ultimately it will come to you, sir, formally once we start the process of some consultation. Now the problem starts. Problem begins when you start questioning the time. Everything cannot be mechanical. In parliamentary democracy, we have to engage in dialogue. We have to engage in discussion. There are many issues in the country. You should not undermine one issue and take up another issue. All the issues are important. All the issues are important. Government, ये देखिए सर, आप चुनाव नहीं जीत पाते हैं, जनता आपको विश्वास नहीं करते हैं, और आप जो है गुस्सा या सदन में निकालते हो, ये तो बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है। लोकतंत्र में चुनाव का प्लेटफॉर्म जनता का बीच होता है। ये कल भी हमने रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि यह बिजनेस तैयार किया गया है, हम लोग चर्चा के लिए तैयार है, लेकिन एक बात तो हम लोग औपचारिक मिलना तो चाहिए। ये टाइम बताते कि अभी बताओ कब से होगा, ऐसा कोई तरीका नहीं होता है।
You please go back to your seats. The minister has agreed to discuss with the opposition leaders. Let it happen in the evening, and tomorrow let them come back to us. Till that time, we will stick on to our. We will proceed with the listed business, please. Srimati Renuka Chaudhary. She's not there. Okay. Srimati Rekha Sharma ji. She's not there. Huh?
Thank you, Honorable Chairman, sir. I rise to bring this House an issue that affects the earliest and most crucial stage of child's life. While the Anganwadi network is one of India's proudest social welfare achievements, the infrastructure, especially nutrition kitchens, require modernization to meet today's needs. Sir, I humbly propose a national program for modernizing Anganwadi nutrition kitchens with the following components. Modern kitchen infrastructure. I request consideration for stainless steel utensils and food storage units, clean preparation counters, safe drinking water units, and exhaust system for ventilation. Sir, millet-based nutrition menu is very important, and while many states are following this, but we need to follow in other states, and we need to give millet-based porridges, ragi laddus, bajra khichadis, seasonal nutrition-rich snacks to the children. This will improve protein, fiber, and micronutrient intake among children. Sir, integration of self-help group in this work is very, very important. Women-led SHGs are already doing remarkable work in food processing they may be encouraged to manage fresh food preparation, supply chains, quality checks. Odisha and Telangana have shown how SSGs-led kitchen improve nutrition delivery and strengthen local women's income. So digital monitoring and growth tracking is happening in Anganwadi worker, but we need to strengthen this system. So using simple mobile-based tools, child weight and height can be recorded, attendance can be tracked, supply log can be digitalized, nutrition gap can be quickly identified. This will ensure accountability and data-driven action. Supplementary nutrition for high-risk mothers should be taken up. Pregnant women with anemia, low BMI or high-risk pregnancy should be given special take-home ration, iron folic and fortified food. Weekly monitoring at Anganwadi center should happen, sir.
तो देखिए, राज्यसभा की भी कार्यवाही लगातार जारी है, लेकिन जिस तरीके से बीजेपी सांसद रेखा शर्मा लगातार बोल रही हैं, उनके पीछे से जमकर नारेबाजी की जा रही है।